Hi, this is Chris, your instructor for Academic Writing 2. Thank you for logging in. The course officially begins February 15th. The, the week it runs from Wednesday through Tuesday. I just thought I'd give you a quick overview of some things to look at. It is good to get yourself familiar with the layout of the course. We do have a new interface that is definitely more attractive than the old interface of Leo. I have found that it seems to be a bit slower though, so we'll see how that goes. But so you'll want to look at the syllabus to look over the basic elements of the course description, guidelines, the late policies, and here's the assignments that you'll be completing. So it's good to look that over. I don't want to go too long with this video, so I'll just leave it up to you to look it over. The content is where you'll get most of your work done. The course overview serves as a good way to introduce yourself to the course. It's basically learning about academic writing through the process of creating one well-written and researched paper. And it's spread out through the entire course, and that's what I really like about this course, because it gives you time to do a thorough and well-written research papers. You know, one of the big problems with students and research papers a lot of times is you'll procrastinate and put things off because you might not want to do it. But this course will give you some time to think about your work and to get feedback on your work. And so you'll definitely make improvement if you put in the work. Good research writing does take time, so you need to give yourself some well, I'd say prioritize your classwork a bit. Find time to have some quiet time to work on your schoolwork. So, course overview talks about how what we're doing. The course is a little bit different because it's more of an effort-based teaching style. So, if you complete the assignments as instructed, do everything by the deadlines. You'll pass the course probably. So while grammar is important, as long as you're following the guidelines and source attribution is critical too. So as long as you're sourcing correctly your sources, but we'll get into all of that during the regular coursework. So one thing about this style of grading is you'll get feedback on your first draft, but the top score is only like 85%. So it does require you to submit some revisions if you want to. If you choose to do the revisions, you can get your grade up to possibly 100%. So that's good thing about this course is there's feedback and revising opportunities. And I've been a professional writer my whole career, and basically that's what writing is. It's all about revising, writing, revising, and finally, when you think you've got it well enough done, you just have to say, that's it. I've done all the best I can, and turn it in by the deadline. So hopefully you'll learn a lot of good techniques and strategies for improving your writing, and I look forward to working with you. So first week begins next week, February 15th. There'll be learning resources. That's where our textbook is. So it is, if you want to get the full value of your dollar, you'll want to go through the learning resources, because that's going to help you a lot in completing the work for each week. Then you'll have a grammar lab each week to do, and then some discussions. Make sure you complete the discussions on time. The first post is due on Friday by 11:59 p.m. and then you'll want to do another peer response by Sunday at 11:59 p.m. and a second peer response for each discussion by Tuesday at 11:59 to be eligible for full points for that. So other than that, please look it over, and I'll definitely do another video and talk with you again when we get started next week. Thank you for listening.